presenting to you the new range of products from Marflow. The first ones in that is the Releez Foley Catheter, which, if you would know that there are certain patients who would need to have a longer indwelling of Foley's catheter because of surgery they just underwent, or it is purely some other complications they had and they are bedridden, which results into longer indwelling of catheters. And it's a known fact that due to longer indwelling, urinary tract infections are kind of given with it. So these kind of infections are called catheter associated urinary tract infections, or in short CAUTI. Having a product which helps reduce or minimize this infections would be very welcomed, and that is where we are getting this new product, which is Releez Foley Catheter. This is what you get once you open up the packaging for Releez Foley Catheter. As you can see, it is a two set products. First being the Foley catheter by itself, and the other one would be the urine bag which comes along with it. So if we look at the two individual products by themselves, this is the catheter which has two-way catheter with a non-return valve over here, and on the other end we have got a very smooth tapered product, so reduces trauma when inserting, as well as this is the area where the balloon would be inflated. With that, as you can see, the amount of catheter protruding into the bladder would be very small, so that reduces the risk of any irritation caused by the presence of the catheter to the patient. The product itself has got silver ions impregnated into it, so it is just not a simple coating on the product, but it is impregnated into the material. So that's why whole of this material is antimicrobial in nature, so preventing any catheter associated urinary tract infections when put up in the patients. The second part to the product is this urinary bag, which you can see comes with a marking on it, so that we could track the amount of liquid been collected from the patient. Even as low as 25 milliliters of volume could be measured with this bag. Allows you to do studies of amount of urine produced by the patient over a period of time, so that one could know the urinary output of the patient as well if desired so. And it has got a convenient label space where you could mark the necessary details for the patient as well. On the other end, we have got an output port as well, so that as and when the bag needs to be voided, it could be done very easily and securely. The main connection of the catheter to the bag would happen with this tapered profile that we have provided, so it can give you a very good connection with the catheter with no leakage associated with it, and that provides a good secure fit to this thing. As well as if you look at the bag handle as well, one could easily carry it or tether it to the side of the patient's bed with it, and that would help you in a very good placement with the patient and use it effectively.